Debate on Zimbabwe's new currency, ZiG, is animated everywhere as people and the markets try to make sense of the shock policy intervention by monetary authorities to rescue the country after the Zimbabwean dollar spiraled to death, again, due to currency volatility and runaway exchange rate-driven inflation. Zimbabwe's new Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe Governor John Mushiavanhu has been struggling to explain ZiG and in the process win public confidence, credibility and trust around it. Mushiavanhu yesterday issued a long explanatory note on what a structured currency is in the first place. A structured currency is generally defined as a currency that is pegged to a specific exchange rate or currency basket and backed by a bundle of foreign exchange assets, potentially including gold. This means that a central bank can only issue domestic notes and coins when fully backed by a foreign reserve currency or foreign exchange assets, and that the currency is fully convertible into the reserve currency on demand. The structured currency is different from the ZW dollar in that it is anchored by a composite basket of foreign currency and precious metals, mainly gold, held as reserves for this purpose by the Reserve Bank. South African-based currency expert Coles Ndlovu discusses the new currency with Thulani Nkala of online Matabeleland Broadcasting Corporation. Ndlovu is a believer in the multi-currency system, anchored by the United States dollar, which he says works much better without a local currency which then gets printed to death by clueless and recklessly extravagant authorities.